All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make some creamy macaroni and cheese using a pasta that you probably wouldn't think of using, especially for special occasions. This pasta will make a difference in how you present your macaroni and cheese. Instead of just the yellow and creamy looking colors and stuff, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and it's going to be tasty and it's going to look really good on the table, especially for Thanksgiving and the holidays. That's right, this colored pasta. Now, you can go to your local TJ Maxx, Ross, or Home Goods and look in the food section and you'll come across this pasta. All right, or Amazon. All right, so first we're going to boil a large pot of pasta, and we're not going to cook the pasta all the way. We're going to make it al dente. Just make sure you stir the pot so it does not stick to the bottom of the pot. That's right, al dente, which means almost cooked, but not cooked through all the way. All right, so first you're going to mix the cheese, heavy whipping cream, flour, and bacon together. Then you're going to add the pasta. That's right. We're going to do all the mixing first, so that way we're going to make sure it's thick, consistent, and sticks to all the pasta. And we're going to add about 3 cups of cheese, or a little bit more if you prefer it to be a little bit more cheesier. We're going to add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is going to give it that nice thickness mixed in with the cheese. It's going to be delicious. All right, so after you add that, you're going to add the good old bacon, a 1/2 cup of bacon, or a little bit more if you're a bacon head. Like me, I love bacon. All right, and then we're going to mix it until it's all mixed together really good. A lot of mixing going on here. All right, then after that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour, because that's going to give it a nice texture. Once it all starts to cook up together, you'll see, definitely you'll see when this is all done. All right, more mixing. Look at that. See how that's coming together? Really nice, really thick and creamy. Delicious. And now we add the pasta. Look at those colors. Now, when it comes to the pasta, you just want to make sure that you're not mixing it too hard. You're pretty much going to be flipping the pasta so you don't break the pasta. So you're going to be doing some flipping, light stirring, but not hard. And then we're going to add it to the good old baking dish. Now, when it comes to your baking dish, you get to choose how you want to do it. Do you want to have a thick macaroni and cheese, or do you want to have it layered out a little bit thinner? It's totally up to you. No specifics here. Now we're going to add the cheese on top. Cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Who doesn't love a good macaroni and cheese, especially with bacon in it? So you're just going to add more cheese on top of it. Get that nice layer so when the cheese melts and comes all together, just like this. See? Look at it. Beautiful. Thick, creamy, cheesy, colorful. Man, you cannot lose when it comes to a good old mac and cheese. That's right. All right, so as they say, stick a fork in it. Check out the texture. See if it needs to be cooked a little bit more. But in this case, this came out perfect. Now, cooking time, let's say maybe about an hour of cooking time at 350 degrees in your oven. You can just keep checking it. But as you can see, an hour did this macaroni and cheese perfectly. Nice and colorful. Look at that. I cannot help but to mix this together. The cheese, the sound when it makes that creamy mixing sound. I know I'm kind of excited about this. Maybe I'm talking about the cheese a little bit too much, but hey, it's mac and cheese. That's right. All right, so now we're going to put some of this good old creamy, cheesy mac and cheese in a bowl. You can't go wrong with it, guys and girls and whoever else is looking at this video. This is going to be a cheese dish that everybody will love. I guarantee this is going to be a good dish. All right, so got the cheese all mixed in really good. Got a nice looking bowl of it. Now it's time to take a bite and give it a taste. Yum. So tasty. Yes, indeed. All right, guys, it's your turn. Now, Go cook some, and I'll see you on the next video.